Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable magnification on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So as a first step, open settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named accessibility. Here we would need to go to this tab which is named vision enhancements and scroll a little bit lower. Here you can see this tab which is named magnification, click on it and here enable this function which is named magnification shortcut. Then by clicking on the name of this function, you can choose the way how you will call out the magnification. So we have here 4 options, which is tap accessibility button, press side and volume up buttons, press and hold volume up and down button for 3 seconds, or triple tap screen. I will leave it on the triple tap and now let's test it. I'll go to my home screen and triple tap on the screen. And yes, as you can see, it works, and we also got this little button with the help of which we can move this lens. Here is it how it looks. And we can also disable this function by simply clicking triple tap on the screen. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.